Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2009 Subaru Legacy, we're going to be replacing the rear differential fluid. This is a pretty straightforward maintenance item, so it shouldn't take too long. Let's get started. On the back of the rear differential, you'll have two plugs, the lower drain plug and the upper fill plug. These are both 10mm Allen. We want to crack the fill plug first before we drain any fluid. For that, I have an Allen key that I cut a little shorter that can fit right in here. Just make sure it goes in all the way. There we go, all the way in. And these are usually pretty tight, so I'll just tap on it with a hammer. There we go. We're broken loose. Now we can break loose our drain plug, and we'll do the exact same thing. Get it in there all the way. Take my hammer. Okay, that's loose. For better drain flow, we'll take off our fill all the way. Now that both are loose. There we go. We'll take this out. Let's let that drain all the way. On our drain plug, we have a little magnetic tip. We'll wipe that off before reinstalling it. That's pretty good. I'll snug this up. There we go. According to my information, this is torqued to 21 foot-pounds with an aluminum washer or 36 foot-pounds with a steel washer. Wipe that off. Let me show you what I used to fill it. We're using genuine Subaru gear oil with a hand pump. The tube goes in our fill and we just pump away until it starts dripping out. Let's head back under. Put the tube in just like that. Start pumping away. All right, there we go. We're dripping out. Put our fill plug back in. I can't get a torque wrench up here, so we'll just use our judgment. We'll just wipe this down and we're done. All right, there you go. That's how you can replace the rear differential fluid on your Subaru. I have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.